On 5th June, the whole world celebrates World Environment Day together. This year, the theme of World Environment Day is ecosystem restoration. United Nations is going to inaugurate the decade for ecosystem restoration, and it will last from 2021 to 2030. Scientists have found it as the last chance to prevent this catastrophic climate change. What is ecosystem restoration? Why ecosystem restoration? Why a decade? Facts about ecosystem restoration and how it is done. We will get the answer to all this in our further discussion. Before telling you about ecosystem restoration, let me tell you a bit about ecosystem. Ecosystem is a community where living and non-living components of environment coexist. They are interlinked by food chain, energy flow, and mineral chain. There are two types of ecosystem: terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. Both these ecosystems are interlinked and thus life is possible on this planet. We humans are also strange creatures. In the greed of more development, we damaged our ecosystem so much that our own existence is in danger. And that's why we need to restore our ecosystem. What is ecosystem restoration? The process of assisting recovery to an ecosystem which have been damaged, degraded or destroyed is known as ecosystem restoration. Why ecosystem restoration? Approximately 79 million people suffer from hunger and 1.2 billion people suffer from water scarcity. Along with this, our biodiversity is also getting damaged and our ecosystem is being destroyed and is likely to increase in future. The need of water, food, forest is going to increase in the future generation, and to meet this need, we need to care our ecosystem sustainably by 2030. Now let's discuss about ecosystem restoration plans made by United Nations. How to restore ecosystem and how it is damaged and the restorative methods for the restoration. Farmland ecosystem. Due to excessive use of land, soil erosion, use of inorganic fertilizers and pesticides, our farmland is getting destroyed. To restore farmlands, we need to reduce tillage of lands, use organic pesticides and fertilizers, and also multiple cropping and crop rotation will have to be done. Forest ecosystem. Man has destroyed forests for land and resources. More cutting and burning of wood, pollution, wildfire has also ruined the existing forests. To restore forest ecosystem, we need to plant new and different kind of freshwater ecosystem. It is a rare fate to have clean and sufficient water. Pollution, overfishing, infrastructure, industry irrigation and excess use of water has caused damage to this ecosystem. To restore this ecosystem, we need to lessen the pollution of water, treat polluted water, and to modulate the use of water. Urban ecosystem. Cities and towns are like ecological deserts. They have very little space between them for vegetation. Air and water here get heavily polluted due to the discharge of effluents from the industries and factories present here. But in contrast, the scope of ecosystem restoration in cities and towns is quite high. Agroforestry can help us restore the ecosystem present in cities and towns. Dams and roads here must be planned and constructed in such a way that they do not harm the existing ecosystem.
Marine ecosystem. Due to overexploitation of sea, pollution, and climate change, this ecosystem is destroying. For marine ecosystem restoration, we should do sustainable mangrove harvesting so that the waste, sewage water, and plastic does not go to the sea. And also, we should do sustainable fishing.
There is another quite simple way in which we can restore our ecosystem. That is the 3 R's. Reimagine how and what you consume. Recreate your relation with your planet and restore our ecosystem. So, let's begin our first step towards our ecosystem restoration today.